Good morning, students. In today's video, we will start our next topic, that is registration of partnership firm. This topic will be covered under the headings: the meaning of registration, procedure of registration, changes in the constitution of firm, advantages of registration and disadvantages of not being registered, and partnership deed. Since the topic is long, we will cover few headings in the present video and rest of the headings in the subsequent videos. To begin with, the meaning of registration of partnership firm. It refers to having the firm registered with the registrar of firms. गवर्नमेंट ने हर स्टेट में रजिस्ट्रार ऑफ फर्म्स अपॉइंट किए हैं whose job is to register the partnership firm. हालांकि रजिस्ट्रेशन कराना कंपलसरी नहीं है और ये पार्टनर्स की विल पे डिपेंड करता है, लेकिन यदि रजिस्ट्रेशन ना हो तो पार्टनरशिप फर्म एज वेल एज पार्टनर्स हैव टू फेस मैनी इनकन्वीनियंस ड्यू टू नॉन रजिस्ट्रेशन. So better it is that if a firm is registered. Next we will discuss procedure for registration. When a firm wants to register itself, it has to deposit a fees with the registrar of firms and provide certain information in the registration form, which include, as you can see on your screen, that name of the firm, address of the firm's head office from where it functions, address of the branches of the firm if it has any, the date of its formation and the dates when each partner joined the firm, name and addresses of the partners, duration of the partnership and signature of partners and their legal agents. According to section 58, partners have right to carry on business under any name and style provided इनसे कोई रूल ब्रेक नहीं हो रहा है, ना ही ये मिसलीडिंग होने चाहिए. और पार्टनरशिप फर्म इज नॉट अलाउड टू यूज द नेम्स लाइक वर्ड्स लाइक क्राउन, एम्परर, empress, empire, imperial, king, queen, etc. These are prohibited words, cannot be used and require sanction from the government. यदि रजिस्ट्रार सेटिस्फाइड है बाय द इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइडेड, देन द रजिस्ट्रार enters the information in a register of firms and issues a certificate of registration. और इसका मतलब firm is registered. However, ऐसी firms that has been incorporated outside India, they are not supposed to register themselves in India. Next हम स्टडी करते हैं इसमें changes in the constitution of the firm. All information about changes in the constitution of a registered firm should be given to the registrar of firms. Like section 60 specifies that any change in name, address or place of business of the firm must be communicated to the registrar of firms so that necessary changes can be made in the register. Section 61 provides that any partner of the firm can inform the registrar about the place where the firm has started or closed any business, जिससे रजिस्टर ऑफ फर्म में वो एड्रेस ऐड या डिलीट किया जा सके. सेक्शन 62 कहता है दैट एनी चेंज इन नेम और एड्रेस ऑफ एनी पार्टनर शैल ऑल्सो बी इन्फॉर्म टू द रजिस्ट्रार. According to section 63 subsection 1, change in constitution of the firm should also be notified to the registrar. Section 63 subsection 2 deals with the information of minor attaining the majority. मेजोरिटी अटेन करने के बाद उसने फर्म को ज्वाइन किया या रिटायर किया, ये इन्फॉर्मेशन भी रजिस्ट्रार को नोटिफाई कराना कंपलसरी है. नेक्स्ट, amendment in register of firms is possible by application to the registrar by all the partners. यानी कोई भी चेंजेस कराए जा सकते हैं, उसके लिए रजिस्ट्रार को एप्लीकेशन देना जरूरी है. नेक्स्ट, एनी कोर्ट ऑफ लॉ कैन डायरेक्ट change in the register of the firm as a verdict in any case. Section 66 provides that any person can examine the register of the firms and can obtain a copy thereof by paying fees. And section 68 states that all the information contained in the register of the firms in the form of any description, any information can be used as evidence in any case because ये सभी signed information होती है. So in this video we have discussed about the meaning of registration, procedure of registration and changes in constitution of the firm. Thank you.